Life is full of ups and downs, and every setback can feel overwhelming. However, it's how we respond to these challenges that defines our journey. In this video, we'll explore how to turn a setback into an unforgettable comeback. You'll learn the importance of owning your experience, shifting your mindset, creating a clear vision, taking consistent action, handling obstacles along the way, and silencing the doubters. We'll also share inspiring stories of those who have made incredible comebacks. Get ready to transform your challenges into opportunities for growth and resilience. Life can knock you down. You may lose a job, a relationship, or your motivation. You might even face a health crisis or struggle with personal issues. These moments can feel like the end of the road. But here's the truth. Setbacks happen to everyone, and they are a natural part of life. Consider this. Some of the most successful people in history have faced incredible challenges. They've lost everything at one point or another, but chose to rise again. The difference between those who make an unforgettable comeback and those who don't is simple. It's the decision to rise again. Today, I'm here to show you how to create a comeback so powerful, no one will forget it. This is your moment. Let's begin. Every comeback starts with a low point. Acknowledge it. Own your setback. It may be a mistake, a personal failure, or a lost opportunity. Whatever it is, face it. Don't hide from it. Don't dwell on it. Just accept it. When you take ownership of your situation, you empower yourself. You recognize that your past doesn't define your future. This acceptance isn't about being passive. It's about actively taking charge of your narrative. Remember, the greater the fall, the more incredible the rise. Your setback isn't the end. It's the setup for your comeback. Every setback can fuel your growth if you choose to learn from it. Embrace the lessons hidden in your struggles. They will become your greatest assets. Now that you've accepted the setback, it's time to shift your mindset. How you think about this moment will determine your future. Don't let the failure define you. Instead, let it drive you forward. When negative thoughts creep in, flip them. Instead of thinking, I failed, say, I'm learning. Instead of, I'm not good enough, say, I'm improving every day. This shift in perspective can change everything. Your mindset is your greatest tool. Use it to push forward. Surround yourself with positivity. Read motivational books, listen to inspiring podcasts, and engage with people who lift you up. Remember, a positive mindset will attract positive outcomes. You've got the right mindset. Now let's talk vision. What does your comeback look like? Success could mean rebuilding your confidence, starting fresh, or chasing a new goal. Whatever it is, visualize it clearly. When you have a vision, you create a roadmap for where you're going. Take a moment to close your eyes and imagine your ideal future. What do you see? What does it feel like to achieve your goals? Visualize yourself achieving it, feeling the success, overcoming the obstacles. Write this vision down. Keep it visible so it's in front of you every day. This vision becomes your guiding star. When the going gets tough, it will remind you of your purpose and keep you focused. With a clear vision, you're not just thinking about your comeback, you're creating it. Big wins come from small, consistent steps. Don't aim to leap to the top all at once. Start by setting daily or weekly goals. Focus on small actions that will push you closer to your vision. Consistency is key. These small actions will build momentum. Each small win adds up, making you stronger, more focused, and more determined. Think of it as laying bricks to build a solid foundation for your future. Over time, you'll see progress, and before you know it, your comeback will be in full swing. Celebrate those small victories. Each one is a step toward your ultimate goal. Reward yourself for your hard work. It reinforces your commitment and fuels your motivation. Even during your comeback, setbacks will happen. You might lose motivation, hit a roadblock, or face unexpected challenges. But don't give up. The road to success is full of ups and downs. Use every setback as an opportunity to grow even stronger. Remember, it's not the setback itself that matters. It's how you handle it. If you stumble, pause, and reassess. Ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I adapt my approach? Stay focused on your vision. Keep moving forward, even if that means adjusting your goals or finding new paths to success. This resilience will define your comeback journey. People will doubt you. Some will say it's impossible. They'll tell you it's too late or that you've failed too many times. But their doubt doesn't define you. You don't need everyone to believe in your comeback. All you need is belief in yourself. Let their doubts fuel your determination. Use the negativity as motivation to prove them wrong. Show them what you're capable of. Remember, your comeback is personal. It's about your journey and growth. Focus on your path and surround yourself with supporters who uplift and inspire you. This comeback is for you. You're proving to yourself that you can rise higher than ever before. Now it's time for action. You have everything you need to make a comeback that no one will forget. You've faced your setback, shifted your mindset, created a vision, and you're ready to take action. Remember, this journey won't be easy, but it will be worth it. Every small step, every obstacle you overcome is building your legacy. You're not just coming back. You're coming back stronger, smarter, and more resilient. Start today. Your unforgettable comeback is waiting. And remember, every time you rise from a fall, you inspire others to do the same. Your story can become a beacon of hope for those who are struggling. So go out there and make your comeback unforgettable.